Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair Guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the left or the right headlight fuses relays are located on Mercedes GLC. This generation right here. Please do not waste your money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. It could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that. And after that, guys, if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, left, right headlight fuses relays come to show you where you can expect to find them on that generation Mercedes GLC. Right here, what we guys need to do, we'll be working on a fuse box that's under the hood. Open the hood, facing the engine. You see right here, okay, on the driver's side, remove that cover, and underneath is the main engine fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly, guys, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. Here, guys, we need to check specifically up to 3 different fuses. Then we are not done. We need to talk about something else. Make sure you stay until the end. Fuse number 1 will be fuse 108. This fuse right here will need to be checked. Also, after that, you need to check fuse 110. And we are not done. There is another one. We're talking about fuse 128. You don't have specific relays for the headlights. It's most likely controlled by the front SAM control module. So if you want to see where the fuses relays for the front SAM control module, that's SAM module, we have the video on the channel that will teach you what you need to check. Check that, guys. But the SAM control module practically is the fuse box that we looked at. It has a computer on the side and that's kind of like part of the body control module. So check that fuse box and also check the fuses that correspond for the front SAM module because they're hidden. We'll have the video on the channel if you need help with that. But these 3 fuses we checked today, those are the main headlight fuses that we need to check. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, you'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.